Hey loves, it's Carmen, founder of Luminosity Acne Skincare, and I'm back with Amanda. Hi, who is an esthetician here at Luminosity Acne Skincare. So today we're going to answer a really common question, especially from new clients, and that is, will my skin get worse before it gets better, or just general purging questions. And in today's video, we're not going to talk specifically about what purging is. I will talk about that in another video. Today we're just going to answer the question of, does the skin have to get worse before it gets better? And actually, when I say I'm not going to talk about what purging is, they probably need to know what it is. Yeah. What I meant by that is that we're not going to talk about what causes purging specifically, and this probably is not making any sense, but when I do my other video, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So subscribe. Yes. And basically, when we talk about purging, we're referring to breakouts that are already underneath the skin, and they were going to surface at some point or another, but instead of just surfacing like here and there, they just kind of all surface up at the same time. And when that happens, when you say that, it kind of freaks people out.
It does, but I'd rather the acne just go ahead and come on out and be done with that.
Exactly.
Done.
Yes, because again, these were pimples that were going to come out anyway.
Absolutely.
So yeah,
we're not causing them. So.
Exactly. Yeah, we're not causing them. But yeah, and so with that said, really when it comes to acne and purging, it is an individual thing.
Yeah.
Would you say like some clients do, some clients don't?
Yeah, some of my clients purge and some of them don't. It just depends on what's underneath the skin. So I can't tell you, oh, definitely you're going to be the one, because I can't see through your skin. Sorry.
Yeah, we can't see through
the transparency here.
Yeah, exactly. So, so yeah, we always just let clients know that it's one of those things that we'll know if it happens, but I never want clients to freak out that it will happen to them, because I think a lot of times people think that, oh, I'm gonna be the one where like I'm purging, or I'm gonna be the one where this program doesn't work for, or it's always like kind of a doomsday thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because they've been doomed, I guess, in other places.
Exactly. Yeah.
Sorry.
Exactly. So they really only have like their past experiences to go on, and we recognize that. But yeah, when it comes to new clients, we always just want to reassure them that purging can happen, but it's not a rule. And also, if it does happen, it doesn't mean that they're gonna clear up any slower than someone who didn't purge, or that they're not gonna clear up at all just because they purged in the beginning. None of that really has any truth to it as far as them getting a result at the end of the day. Yeah,
it's true.
Yep. So yep, just to quickly answer the question again, purging does not have to happen. It can happen, but it's not something that we see with every client. And again, for the clients who do notice their skin getting a little bit worse in the beginning, it doesn't mean that they're not going to clear up like all our other clients do. So oh, and then one other thing that I wanted to touch on that I almost forgot is that when it comes to actual purging, sometimes it's almost impossible to know if it's a true purge, meaning the products that they were using just kind of pushed everything up sooner, or if maybe it was like a hormonal thing,
or overeating and
overeating dairy. Exactly.
Coincidentally, your skin decided to purge at the same time.
Exactly. Yes, because with acne, there's like so many other things that come into play with it. Even stress, you know, that's a hormonal thing too. Yep. Yeah, so there's all these things where, you know, we can blame it on these products are making my skin purge, but in reality it might just be you were due for your cycle. So premenstrual hormones, stress hormones, traveling. Exactly. There's just a whole bunch of things when it comes to acne that can create temporary worse breakouts. So yeah, just wanted to touch on that it's not always necessarily purging. It could also just be stimulation from other things that you were doing. So but yeah, I think that's all we really wanted to say on that. Can you think of anything else with purging?
Not really.
Yeah,
I think that's
we covered it. We got it. We're good. Yes, so that is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more acne related videos. I also have an Instagram account, Luminosity Acne. I post about acne there too. And then lastly, if you're still struggling with breakouts, we would love to be the ones that help you clear up. Oh yeah. And we have an amazing track record here. So if you're local to our North Carolina acne office, come in and see Amanda. She's amazing, taking care of all of the local clients in person. And then if you don't live anywhere close to me, we also have acne kits that ship worldwide. So even if you're in another country, we can still help you clear up. And yeah, so just visit our website at luminosityacne.com for more information on those options. And we will see you in our next video. Take care. Bye.